In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop a Google Drive upload. This quick guide is perfect for those moments when you've started uploading a file and then suddenly realize you've either picked the wrong file or simply changed your mind about uploading it. It's a simple process, but knowing how to promptly stop an upload can save you time and prevent unnecessary files from cluttering your drive. Let's dive right in. The very first thing you'll need to do is access your Google Drive. For that, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Here you'll be greeted with a sign-in page. Now you'll need to type in your email and password associated with your Google Drive account. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly and then click Next to proceed. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page of Google Drive, often referred to as My Drive. This area is essentially the hub of all your stored data, be it documents, images, videos, or any other form of digital files. If you're new to Google Drive or haven't visited in a while, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will make navigating and managing your files much easier. Now, for the action part, uploading a file. To start an upload, simply click and drag your file from its folder on your computer to the My Drive window on your browser. You'll see a transparent overlay appear with a message prompting you to drop the file to upload. Go ahead and release the mouse button to start the upload process. However, let's say immediately after you begin the upload, you realize it's not the file you intended to share, or maybe the file is larger than you thought, taking too long to upload. No worries at all. Here's how you can stop the upload in its tracks. Look towards the bottom right of your Google Drive window. You should see a small upload status box that shows the progress of your file upload. In that box there's a cancel option, often represented with either the word cancel or an X mark. Click on it and presto, the upload will be halted immediately. A little piece of advice here, it's always a good idea to double check the files before you begin uploading. However, we all make mistakes or change our minds, and that's where knowing how to cancel an upload becomes handy. Remember, Google Drive is a powerful tool for storing and sharing files, but managing your uploads and knowing how to navigate these small but practical aspects can make your experience much smoother. Whether you're using Drive for work, school, or personal projects, being proficient in these day-to-day operations will undoubtedly enhance your productivity, and with that, you now know how to stop an upload to Google Drive. It's a straightforward process, but knowing how to do this can save you from potential data clutter or sharing the wrong files. For more helpful tips and tricks on using Google Drive and other tech guides, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Until next time, happy organizing.